Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Setting up the Uppoon Wi-Fi extender is simple and can significantly boost your home Wi-Fi coverage. In this video, we guide you through each step, from connecting your extender to power, linking it to your home network, and customizing the settings to maximize performance. Learn how to locate the ideal position for the extender to ensure the best signal strength and seamless connectivity throughout your space. So let's start the setup process. Connect the Uppoon Wi-Fi extender to a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to become stable, indicating it's ready. Now press and hold the WPS button on your router for a few seconds. This activates WPS pairing mode on your router. Within 2 minutes of pressing the WPS button on your router, press the WPS button on the Uppoon extender. Hold the button for a few seconds until the WPS LED starts blinking, showing it's in pairing mode. The WPS LED on your extender will stop blinking and remain solid when a successful connection is made. This may take up to a minute. After setup, unplug the extender and move it to a spot halfway between your router and the area needing improved Wi-Fi coverage. Plug it in, and it should automatically reconnect to your router. With these steps, your Uppoon extender should be set up and ready to extend your Wi-Fi network for better coverage throughout your home. By following these steps, you can easily do the TP-Link Re 700X extender setup. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.